Solved problems. Cost of sales, value of closing unsold stock, and gross profit. Problem. Use the information extracted from the records of tower suppliers to calculate the cost of sales, value of stock unsold, and gross profit for financial year ending 28th February 2013 using the weighted average method. Information for year ended 28th February 2013. March 1. Opening stock 10,000 units at 300 per unit. April 17. Purchases 5,400 units at 250 per unit. July 11. Purchases 6,000 units at rupees at 320 per unit. January 2. Purchases 7,000 units at 380 per unit. February 4. Purchases 4,000 units at 400 per unit. February 28. Number of units sold 5,000. Additional information. Selling price of each unit 480. Carriage on purchases is 20 per unit. 200 defective items were returned to the supplier. This applies to the purchases of July 12. In the books of tower suppliers trading account for the year ending 28th February 2013, date particulars, quantity, rate, amount, date particulars, quantity, rate, amount. On the debit side, March 1, opening stock, quantity 10,000, rate 300, amount is equal to 3 million. April 17, purchases 5,400 units, rate 250 plus 20, carriage inwards 270, amount 1,458,000. July 11, purchases 6,000 units, rate 320 plus 20 carriage inwards, amount 2,040,000. July 11 plus purchase returns 200 units, rate 320, amount 64,000 minus. January 2, purchases 7,000 units, rate 380 plus 20 carriage inwards 400, amount 2,800,000. February 4, purchases 4,000 units, rate 400 plus 20 carriage inwards 420, amount 1,680,000. Total purchases 32,200 units, amount 10,914,000, weighted average rate 338.94 per unit. On the credit side, February 28, sales quantity 5,000 units, rate 480, amount 2,400,000. On the credit side, February 28, closing stock 27,200, 32,200 of total purchases minus the sale 5,000 is equal to 27,200, and the weighted average rate as calculated on the purchases side is 338.94 per unit. The amount comes to 9,219,168. Total on the credit side 32,200 units including closing stock of 27,200 units, and the amount is 11,619,168. When we balance the account, there is a difference of 705,168 is the gross profit. Price of purchase includes 20 per unit wherever applicable. Cost of sales. Total purchases 32,200 units at the weighted average rate of 338.94, 10,914,000, less closing stock 27,200 units at the rate of 338.94, 9,219,168. Cost of sales for 5,000 units is equal to, at the weighted average rate of 338.94, it comes to 1,694,832. Check for the gross profit. Sales value 5,000 units at 480, 2,400,000, less cost of sales for 5,000 at the rate of 338.94, 1,694,832. Gross profit 705,168. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.